I'm Bill Soul. I'm a Vice President of Business Development for Lockheed Martin, and we're very pleased to be here today at the Corporate Council on Africa. Lockheed Martin's president of the Readiness and Stability Operations has recently taken over as the head of the board of directors. And Lockheed has been involved and continues to be involved in the Corporate Council on Africa. If we look at Lockheed's history, they have been involved in Africa for over 50 years. They currently have about 3,000 employees in Africa and are involved in 17 countries. So they really have quite a presence there, which most people don't know anything
Yeah, that's
about.
a big surprise.
It is a big surprise, I know, to a lot of people. I think the other thing that surprises them is what Lockheed Martin is doing in Africa isn't necessarily on the military side.
What do you do there?
Well, what we're doing in Africa is everything from humanitarian relief. We do some light construction. We build clinics and camps. We've done police training. We do judicial reform training. We've been involved in running airports in the Congo. We're building camps and training facilities in southern Sudan. We're highly involved in Liberia, working at their airport. Hopefully we'll work with them more on some more of their infrastructure as they go forward. Our model in dealing with Africa is, we think, if not unique to Lockheed Martin, is at least something that we have found very successful for Lockheed Martin. We try to keep the U.S. presence as small as we can. Our goal is to go to Africa to hire local Africans, to bring them training and technology, to give them to build the capacity they need to go forward. And what we found is it's one, it's helped us understand Africa better and how to do work in Africa, but it's also been just a great eye-opener, I know, for me individually, and I think I can speak for Lockheed. What we found is our employees are they're hardworking, they're loyal, they're probably some of the best employees that we have, and they're working for us in some of the most austere conditions. So it's been a very, very good lesson, I think, for us as an American company, our involvement and our continued involvement in Africa.
Very good. What about the CCA?
What we're really pleased about the Corporate Council on Africa is that what it brings to both Lockheed Martin and to, I think, African nations, offers a very good forum to bring people together to look at how we can build capacity on both sides, how we can develop training partnerships as we go forward, because it's the ability to trade with one another and to work with one another successfully is what we see as the future for both our country and as well as the African nations. We think it's a good model, and it's one that we're very pleased that our government supports as we deal more and more with different African countries. And I said the CCA offers us a very good opportunity to not only talk with African nations, but then also talk with other donor nations, to talk with non-government organizations, other people that are highly involved in Africa, but do it on a way in which we're all looking at what is good not only for us individually as companies, but what's good for our relationships from nation to nation. So it makes it a very good forum. We're very pleased to be part of it.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you very much.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
qu'on existe. Comment ça va, Tomé?
Formidable, félicitations.
Merci beaucoup.
Félicitations. Voilà. Vox Genesis est dans l'action. Vox Genesis, Vox Africa. Donc ici derrière le président Sassoura, le président Kagame. L'excellence Kagame là derrière, celui qui vient de parler.
See you again. Yes, long time. Yes.
Vox Africa TV, Vox Africa.